Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock your Apple iPad Pro, in this case 2025 model, the M5 model, remotely. Okay, that means you have giveaway, trade in or sell your iPad Pro, and the new owner gets the delivery and starts with its standard process of the setup. And if you or if he or she or it is on a point that that there will be a prop for it, that is then necessary, of course, to enter an Apple ID. That means the iCloud lock is in this case done. The new owner comes to you and says, "Hey, this iPad is locked. What's going on there? I paid for that iPad Pro and now I'm not ready to log in." Here we are, iPad lock to owner. A big prop, yeah? Of course, you can give him your email or phone number and the password of your Apple ID, but this is not a good solution for that. No, really, that you do not perform. You can send back the iPad Pro to you, you unlock it and delete it anymore, or another one. That's possible too. But step number 3 is the big and important thing, I think. You can unlock your iPad Pro remotely. For this, you will not need another iPad Pro, of course. But you need a computer, a smartphone, or an iPad or an iPhone. You go to Find My in the internet, on the browser. Then, of course, you have to enter your Apple ID and something else. Use your devices and check for user's iPad. That's the iPad which you sold before. And then you can see the user's iPad in this case is not nearly you, for example, because it's at the new owner. Then you can see in the settings, you can see remove it out of the iCloud stock, remove it out of the Find My network. So remove. So then you can see, remove from the account. Removing this iPad will allow it to be activated and used by another person. Yeah, this is the fact we need. So remove. Of course, we will start removing it. Yeah, it is now removed. And then you can give an information about the removing of the iCloud log out of the system. And then, of course, the new owner can go back. And after this activation again, he should move forward. You can see, continue, adult, set up later, for example. Another password, don't use the passcode. For example, only you should create a passcode, of course. So here, don't transfer. And here we are, Apple account. Now you can enter his own Apple account into the system. And if you, if he, she, it enters her Apple account into that new iPad Pro, he, she, it is able to use it with its own Apple ID. That's how to remotely unlock your Apple iPad Pro. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I'll see you again on my channel. Done.